Metropolitan Service General Mohamed Badi oyango ni gin gisehikore makare mar biro chiwo tije mag kaunti no e lwet Gavana manyien Migosi Johnson Sakaja. Koloso e kinde nyasi mar chamo muma mar Migosi Sakaja, Badi owacho ni duol no ero osetiyo matek mar neno ni gitieko tije ma bende nomigi gi piny owacho higni 2 mosekalo. Owacho ni chenro mar duoko tije ma Nairobi County e lwet Gavana biro chakore e juma manyien.
First of all, today is a great day of celebration for the Governor. Was a personal friend of mine. We worked very well since the creation of NMS. Sakaja has been a backbone of helping NMS achieve its target. So today I say congratulations, Your Excellency. NMS was created for a specific mandate, and I'm very happy to report, Your Excellency, the Governor, that NMS has accomplished all the tasks given to do within the 2 years. And the extra tasks that we have taken on board, which are ongoing projects, I'll be more than happy to hand over. I know you'll make this great county prosper.